Opening. Hello and welcome. I'm Ahmer, and you're watching Learn and Earn with Ahmer, where I teach you how to earn online, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Intro and background. I have personally gained experience in freelancing, trading, and working on online platforms, and now I want to make sure you don't waste your time and can start earning right away. Here, you'll get practical tips, real-life examples, and the proven secrets that I've tested myself. Content promise. On this channel, we'll talk about freelancing, crypto trading, blogging, and tools that can help you increase your income. Every video will be short, easy to understand, and action-oriented, so you can start applying what you learn immediately. Call to action. If you also want to earn from home, hit the subscribe button now and press the bell icon, so you never miss any earning tips. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.